Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil, and today's video is all about a radio upgrade featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, all on a Porsche 911 997. If you are new to our channel, haven't seen us before, make sure you hit that subscribe button below. And remember, guys, we've got the massive 10K subscriber competition live on our channel as well. Video for that is in the description below. We're giving away a brand new PlayStation 5 disc edition, as well as an Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier, so you can upgrade the sound in your vehicle. But let's get on with today's video. So this customer came in to see us, and I sat down with the customer and we spec'd the system. In terms of the solution that we've gone for the new unit, which is the Pioneer Z9200. In essence, featuring loads of functionality like CD, DVD, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, plus much, much more. In terms of the solution, what we've gone for is something that retains not only steering wheel controls, but also the Bose system as well. However, if you are interested in getting an upgrade in sound, we also do a strip out of the Bose system where we can upgrade that to whatever you want to do, and that's all configured during an audio consultation. In terms of the solution that we've got here, so the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto system is completely wireless, but you've also got CD DVD functionality as well. So the screen actually flips down, and then your CD slot sits behind that. So it's a 7-inch screen. You've got physical buttons along the bottom, so it's a nice reliable unit. We use this unit a lot, and you would have seen it featured on our YouTube channel as well. However, a really nice solution that we've got here. So it's got the fitting kit that actually sits directly into where the original radio used to be. Also, the original radio has been returned in the Pioneer box where all the manuals and things are. However, there will be a full handover as soon as the customer picks up the car, pairing up their phone, exactly how it all works. We don't just give you the keys and say off you go. Everything goes through in a load of detail. So one of me or Josh or someone here will sit down with the customer, hand it all over, pair up their phone, show them exactly how any system that we've installed works, and that's very, very important. The customer service here is top priority, and that's what you should be expecting from anyone that's doing your install. So hopefully you've enjoyed today's video. If you have done, please hit that like button and also share the video to friends and family, but also please don't forget to hit that subscribe button too and help us grow our YouTube channel. Bear in mind, guys, we are posting a video every single day on YouTube, so there's loads of content on its way. So thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.